I want to take a minute to create a quick, randomly generated landscape with some rolling hills or maybe something to that effect, some crevasses, what have you. So I'm going to start by deleting the cube. We can go ahead and we can add a mesh, and I will add a plane. Let's tab into edit mode. Let's subdivide this, and I'm going to put in a reasonable number of cuts. Let's just start with 50. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the timeline, and I'm going to change it from a timeline to the geometry node editor. And we will create a new set of nodes. I can do a search, set position, and pop it right in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and we'll do another search, combine X, Y, and Z coordinates. And we will just connect the vector from that to the offsets. And then finally, what we'll do is do a search for noise texture and add that. And then we will connect that to the Z, and we'll have something like this. Now from there, we can go ahead and just adjust as we see fit. If I take that scale up, we can get something more extreme. Maybe we can add some detail to this as well. Play around with the roughness. And then maybe what we can do is tab back into object mode and adjust the scale of the object itself. In this case, I'm going to go to the object and I'm going to shade it smooth. And then I think what I'll do is I'll add a texture. So I'll just go to texturelabs.org or something like that. I will go ahead and look for a soil. Maybe I'll go with something like this and download that. I'll just do the small one for now. That done, I'll create a slot. I'll create a new material. We can just call it landscape. For the base color, I'll select on the yellow dot next to it. I will select image texture, and we'll go ahead and find that item and attach it, and there we go. So now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and export this into Unity. So I'll go ahead and File, Export, and in this case, I'll just export it as an OBJ. I'll just call it Hills01, selection only. Actually, none of this is a particularly big deal at the moment, so I'll just go ahead and export. So it now should be able to select the OBJ and the associated material and bring those into Unity. Having done so, I should be able to drag these hills right into the scene, and there they are now. The material's applied, but I don't see the texture applied to it. So let's also go back and find that texture that we were using, and we'll bring that in. And now we can see that we have our rolling hills created in Blender randomly brought into Unity.